In the series of Microsoft Word practical tutorial session, in this video we are going to discuss the practical number 15. Microsoft Word practical number 15, which is totally related to the word shapes. So we are going to prepare the practical sheet using these shapes like this processing diagram. So here just first what I want to do it, I want to insert the title of this processing diagram. Just I'm going to change the font, increasing font size, making center. Okay. So thereafter just insert shapes. Here all the shapes are available. By using these shapes only I am going to prepare the processing diagram. Before doing this practical I want to do some demonstration about the shapes here. So just click and you can draw the shapes here. So I am going to insert some different shapes here. So I am going to apply some different colors to my shapes. Okay, you can see there. Now I am taking this rectangle over this circle. Now you can see the circle, the back side is rectangle. So if you want to get it front, right click on your rectangle, then bring front, bring to front. Okay. So similar way, this triangle. So if you want to take it triangle front, bring to front. Okay. So if you want to send back this triangle, send to back, you can send it to back. Also, by holding the control key, you can select these shapes together, then right click, group, group. Now you can move all the shapes together. Okay. So these are the some techniques. Then thereafter just right click, then format shape. Here you can see the color fill, then the pattern fill, gradient fill. The things are there. By using these things, you can fill the different color to your shape. There are pattern fill also there. You can apply some patterns to your shape. Okay, so no fill. If you don't want any fill, you can remove the fill color. Just you can get the backgrounds only. Okay, so then we will move to the practical sheet. So the first I want to have this border. Okay, so just insert shapes, then here where is it, just find the things. Okay, double click, no fill, then the color is a black with increasing, then the border dash type like this. Okay, so then thereafter there are one rectangular and another one more shapes like this. Okay, so I can copy this shape, reduce the size, I can keep it here. Then insert shape rectangular, no fill, black color, increasing the border, Then the compound type is two line. No fill, black color. Then just take the text boxes. That is easy. Take the text boxes there. Then whatever the things you want to type, CPU. Increase the font size, make it bold. No line. Center alignment. Okay, so then you can take it down this down, this down. Fill. Okay, you can have the central processing unit there. And after that, processor. Here also you can insert the text. Just right click at text, CU, then select. You want to apply the color. Okay, you can increase. But the easy method is by using the text box. You can here and there as you wish. You can move the texts. Then arrows. Just want to draw the arrows. Then insert shapes. Just draw the lines. Okay, so like this way you can complete this practical number 15.